So we're gonna talk about this sweet little tiny camera today. So it's this tiny, this small, maybe less than 20 grams, and this has to be the most smallest camera in my bag. And you can actually put it to use more like a POV camera or even like an action camera, but this isn't a direct replacement to your GoPro. If you're looking to buy it, I have placed all the links below in the video description. Go ahead and buy it. Happy shopping. And before I talk more details about this, quick unboxing. So what all you get inside this box? You get this Instago first, and this is how it looks. This is the Instago. Nice, small, tiny, sweet little camera. Looks great, right? And this is its case, charging case. And this is how its lightning connector. You need to just connect it with your iPhone and just move around your footages. You have to always charge this whole case so that it charges the Instago. And you get this nice pendant, the magnetic pendant. I'm gonna show you how it works. You get this nice pivot stand, the movable one. You get this nice sticky one as well. You get another one sticky one, but it's a circular one. You can easily use it with this thing as well and connect it and stick it to any place. And this is another one more mount you are getting, which you can easily connect it to your cap or t-shirt, bags, anything. Nice one again. And you get this Android cable as well, because this has the lightning connector for the iPhone, so you need this cable to connect it to your Android phones. And I'm going to show you how it works actually. So for example, this is the pendant, the magnetic pendant, and you can actually put this inside. Just take the Insta360 to go, and that's it. You can just use it as a POV camera or something like this. Now how does this Insta360 Go work? So basically it has one simple action button. You just have to press it once in standby mode, powered off mode, press it once, it starts with a quick video. And if you want to have the photo hyperlapse, timelapse or slow-mo, you have to switch it on. For switching it on, you just hold it and it's going to switch on with a small light indicator, and then you press it once for photo, press twice for hyperlapse, timelapse, and press twice for slow-mo. This is how it works. Pretty easy and nice. And if you have to reset this thing, you have to press this action button for 30 or 40 seconds and it's going to be completely factory reset. Now what this tiny thing does, this can do photo, this can do video, this can do time-lapse, this can do hyperlapse, this can even do slow-mo. For the video you can get max up to 1080p 30 fps. For the slow-mo you can get max up to 720p 100 fps. Now what I like about this small camera, first it's super tiny and discreet. No one can even make out like you are having a camera and you are trying to film something. Second, the POV is nice, almost more like 180 degrees. You can see everything. The camera can actually see everything. Third, the stabilization is pretty crazy. The flow state stabilization on Insta360, no one can beat that. It's so good. Fourth, the AI editor, it's so intelligently done. And fifth, you can actually export the footage from Insta360 Go at multiple aspect ratios. First, you can get it like 9:16 for Instagram stories, WhatsApp stories or Facebook stories. Second, you can get like 9:16 for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Third, you can even get 1:1 for the complete full resolution for Twitter. So I guess this is like heavy. This does almost everything what I personally need on a small spy camera. Now what I did not like about this camera, first, it only does 15 seconds, 30 seconds or 60 seconds video clip. It doesn't do continuous video recording. Second, it only does 1080p, it doesn't even do 4K. Third, the bitrate is very low. It's almost less than 30 Mbps, and in low light conditions the footage look absolutely garbage. Fourth, you cannot transfer the files directly to your computer. You only have to connect it to your phone and you have to transfer them. Fifth, the battery runtime is very low. It doesn't even run more than maybe 30 seconds. And then again, it's not waterproof, it's not shock proof, it's just water resistant. Then seventh, The internal memory is just 8 GB. It just does maybe around 200 clips or 100 clips, and then you are done with it. So that's all about this Insta360 Go camera. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking to buy this, I placed all the links below in the video description. Go ahead and buy it. And if this video helped, go ahead and share with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you guys in the next video.